Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate the developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down again to find the build number, and it may be quite confusing, but all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got the screen lock set, then your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. And right now we can go back and we have to find the developer options. As you can see, they are not in the settings, and accidentally I turned them off. So basically probably it will be in the system, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And right here we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can disable the USB audio routing, and we've got the window animation scale. We can show the pointer location or show visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options which are connected overall to the networking, because here we've got the Bluetooth, we've got the USB, the Wi-Fi should be somewhere here, as you can see. So a lot of options. And in order to turn on the option, all we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. So it works just like in the regular settings. Just tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more advanced settings. So if you are done with customization of the developer options, you can always turn them off so they will not be visible. All you have to do is to tap on the switcher at the top, which will not change its position even though you will scroll. So just tap on it, sorry, and most of the options will be inactive. And after getting back to the system settings, they will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the developer options in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.